Hello, I'm Jan and I paint in England and France, and I would like to show you how you can still enjoy painting without travelling by using sketchbooks and holiday photographs. With easy step-by-step instructions on materials and techniques, I will show you a wide range of subjects from long-haired donkeys on the Ile de Ré to wild Devon beaches, family-friendly resorts, classic sailing ships, and medieval settlements. When further inland, cherry blossom and water lilies, with lots more to come. Just follow the link to my full-length painting videos on my YouTube channel, Jan's Art.